In 1820, a peculiar event unfolded in the bustling streets of Paris. A sudden surge in the vulture population puzzled the locals. These scavengers, often seen as ominous, played a crucial role in the ecosystem by cleaning up carcasses, preventing disease outbreaks. But why Paris? It turned out a nearby butcher's market had an excess of waste, attracting these birds. The city, initially alarmed, soon realized the vulture's importance. This unexpected alliance between man and nature led to cleaner streets and healthier citizens. Could this be nature's way of balancing urban chaos?